How Miller stands out for us and with our customer is durability and dependability. Miller always stands by its word in regards to the right product fit for the customer's need and the quality that you get behind it and the customer service that you get with it as well. You're selling and upselling a machine that you can stand by, you can put your name behind it and not have to worry about it and have a team behind it on a great machine. It's so much easier to be a salesman, do my job the right way, knowing that I'm getting backed up by a great company with a great product. What my customers say about the Bobcats and the Trailblazer and what makes it so great for our customers is the options you have with it, right? Where you can use it in a yard house, in a standalone plant location, drive 300 miles and take it to a job site and be able to depend on it in the same way no matter where you take it. The quality doesn't change. They love the durability of it. One of the advantages of it is being able to use it on the field and not be so concerned on the wear and tear on it, how much it can withstand in locations, in regards to job site locations, and never lose the durability or the use of the product itself. So Bobcats in herself are already legendary, so it literally sells itself. Reliability on Miller machines is very well known. Easy use is a very important tool because you don't have a welder that's always been 20 plus years in the industry. You may have some that are coming up, learning in the process. And the fact of the matter that you have a machine like the Bobcat and the Trailblazer that are helping you in those steps to perfect what you're trying to achieve, it's a huge advantage for any industry to have. The new size and weight change that has been made with these new machines, it's a game changer. It's great because it's easier to transport from one location to the other and not have to worry about losing the power or the durability that you get behind the name Miller. The great thing about Miller and the machines that come out are the upgrades that is done. The making it easy of the process of the maintenance of these machines. All you have to worry about is welding. Let Miller take care of the rest.